Hi everyone, welcome to Edtech with JREP. I'm Javier Rabagliet and I'm here to show you how to book an appointment on Google Calendar. Let's go! To book an appointment on Google Calendar, all you need to do is get the link for the appointment slots calendar of the person you want to book an appointment with. After you do that, you're going to be prompted to log in with your Google account. And then you'll find something that looks like this. You will see first the current week you're on. And if you want to navigate to future weeks, all you have to do is go to the upper left corner and click on the right arrow to check what schedules are available with the other person. Once you have selected the slot that you want to sign up for, click on it, check that your name is in the parentheses like this, and that the date and time are the ones you intended to sign up for. Then click on save, and now your appointment is booked. After that, you can choose to view it or edit it on Google Calendar by clicking on this link. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Bye.